So we're in Oranjestad, the capital. We've got a taxi here from the end of Eagle Beach. Got some shops over there. Louis Vuitton, Prada, Ralph Lauren, Cartier, Gucci. We have some sort of black cow here. No idea why that's there. Oh, it's a steak and chop house. And here we have Lucy's Retired Surfers Bar and Restaurant. Right next to the dock. Over here we've got the Atlantis submarines. We may do that trip at some point on our stay. But let's have a look. Let's head into Lucy's and get a drink. So this is the Renaissance. This is where people get picked up to go to the island where the flamingos are. Aloe Vera, Aruba Aloe gift shop there. A few of these shops are closed. It is a Sunday. Oh, it's Renaissance Island. There we go. It's an open gift shop. No doubt my wife will want to do some shopping. This is the tram line, as you can see on the floor. I'm not sure what these blue horses all around Oranjestad mean. There's one there. They're all dotted about. You can see the lovely colourful buildings, very Dutch. It's going to be a beautiful day, I think, today. So, turned out to be a lovely, beautiful day in Oranjestad, the capital of Aruba. All along here are little stalls, sort of flea market stalls, selling lots of souvenirs, bikinis, handbags, baseball caps, that sort of stuff. A lot cheaper than the shops in your resorts. For an example, I've just bought a baseball cap, $5. The exact same one was $25 in the resort. So bear that in mind when you're buying gifts, etc. It might be just worth spending a morning in Oranjestad and getting all your gifts to there. It will work out a hell of a lot cheaper. But as you can see, a lovely, beautiful day again. Turned out really nice. We're going to go back to the resort now, have some lunch, get some water. It's so hot. And yeah, we're going to go for a walk this evening, I think.